Nearly a third of the U.S. is in danger from severe storms. Thunderstorms are threatening more than 104 million Americans as we start our report. The worst storms are anticipated for Monday night into Tuesday morning. The red area, which encompasses most of Virginia, poses the greatest threat. Additionally, on alert is Washington, D.C., where federal workers have been told to leave early. Storms have disrupted flights, forcing the FAA to reroute aircraft. On Monday, 14 planes were canceled and more than 6,500 delayed. Meg Oliver, a CBS News correspondent, provides updates on the devastation. Flatwoods, Kentucky, had ominous tornado alerts as heavy thunderstorms with strong winds swept across the region. Tennessee experienced tree damage. Due to the afternoon's heavy rain, Parkersburg, West Virginia, experienced flooding. Nearly a dozen tornadoes were reported in the Midwest as a result of the storm system, one of which damaged roofs and electrical lines in Christian County, Illinois. There are heat alerts for nearly 100 million people from California to Texas to Florida. Reporting from Johnson County, Texas, where portions of the state are prone to wildfires due to the state's blistering triple-digit temperatures. Due of the danger, firefighters are advised to take cooling breaks. Wet weather in the Northeast led the FAA to reroute aircraft away from storms moving into the East Coast, resulting in delays at airports such as New York, Washington, and Atlanta. Meg Oliver is reporting from Reading, Pennsylvania, where a storm system that brought torrential rain, thunder, lightning, and wind gusts of up to 75 miles per hour has passed through. With more than 500,000 consumers without power in the South and Mid-Atlantic, these storms are taxing the electrical grid. Customers who are impacted are becoming more numerous. A dozen states, including southeast Pennsylvania, are under tornado watches. The threat of severe weather is still present and moving southward from the northeast. The continued severe weather outbreak from the northeast to the south can be seen in video from Chris Warren of the Weather Channel. Destructive storms are predicted. The storms threaten the area with severe weather, flash flooding, and heavy rain. The Gulf Coast and the southern plains of the U.S. continue to experience intense temperatures.